Hey everyone, hope everyone's having a great day today. Today we'll be discussing the health benefits of Endive.
Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it.
Endive is a bitter-tasting leaf vegetable belonging to the genus Sicorium. Endive is native to Egypt and Indonesia and has been cultivated in Europe since the 16th century. Endive contains essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, calcium, and potassium. Endive has antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals in the body and may help prevent the risk of chronic diseases. Endive has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Endive is also rich in fiber and has a high water content that may help promote weight loss and healthy digestion. Endive may also help regulate blood sugar levels and help prevent type 2 diabetes. Endive may also promote heart health, eye health, and liver health. If you have a birch pollen allergy, then please do not consume. As always, consult with your physician. I hope everyone learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.